What's up guys, welcome back to the Karuna film. So today I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Samsung TV. Okay, okay guys, so first, you're gonna click the remote. It says source and make sure put in the TV mode. Then you're gonna click on the menu on your remote and go ahead and click on this support. Once you go here, go to self diagnosis. Then you go here, click on the reset. Okay, now I forget my PIN number. You see, I don't know, I forgot, long time I didn't use it. What I'm going to do is actually I want to reset my Samsung TV. So now it needs a PIN, so I don't know, I forgot which PIN number I put. Okay, so here's the solution. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off the TV. So here's the solution how to reset the password. Now I'm gonna reset the password. Okay guys, so here's some codes to put. I'm gonna description link below. Mute 182 power. All right, now you see here the left side on the top option. There are some options in hotel option, shopping option, Asia option, like that. Okay, we're gonna click in the option. Okay, now we're gonna click on the factory reset. So it's gonna give you back brand new setting like you just bought it today. Now you have a brand new setting like you just bought it today. You see? Wow. This is it guys. So now you can choose language, everything you want to. Okay guys, so this is it, how to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. Now you can change the PIN number whatever you like to do. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.